Anybody here feel suffocated with life? Maybe there is too much going on. You may feel overwhelmed and unable to breathe. If you are that person, Sirian Elders are working on you to transmute that energy so that you can breathe freely. Whoever has any sort of issues with breath, lungs, oxygen in the bloodstream, just open up to receive. All right, put one hand on the throat and another on the nose. Just give it a bit of rub.